Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to enable Siri now. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and connected to the internet. This lets settings sync with iCloud. Next, sign into your Apple ID if you haven't, because Siri can personalize suggestions using your account. Now open Settings, scroll to Siri and search and tap it. Once done, you'll see toggles for Listen for Hey Siri, press Side button for Siri, and Allow Siri when locked. We'll enable them in the next step. Now enable Siri features one at a time so you understand how they behave. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri and complete the short voice training. This helps reduce false triggers and improves recognition. Then enable Press Side button for Siri so you can also summon it manually. Make sure language and Siri voice match your accent for better accuracy, and toggle Siri suggestions for apps and lock screen. Doing this refines what Siri can propose and how it integrates with your routine. Finish by testing Siri, say Hey Siri or press the side button and ask a simple question like the weather. If Siri doesn't respond, make sure the microphone isn't blocked, that Siri's language matches your voice, and that you have a working internet connection because many queries need online processing. If problems persist, restart your iPhone. If that fails, toggle Siri off and on in settings to reset. One tip, check Do Not Disturb and Low Power Mode, as they can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.